Can I survive DMZ with no extra armor? Hello?
Expect contact.
Ooh, I got it.
Yeah, boy.
Ooh, I got it. Got the stuff. Come on. Ooh, what is that? Who's hitting me? Ooh. No. Fight! No.
No.
I'm trying. Where are you? Bro, stop moving. Please. Be careful. I got you.
Tung sahur. Anomali mengerikan yang hanya keluar pada sahur. Konon katanya kalau ada orang.
Come on. Yep. I'm down. Please. Please, help me. Please, stop. Oh my god.
Stop, boy. Stop kicking me.
Yes, we did it.
Where? If I die because you, I'm gonna get you.
Yep, I'm using that. I'm not keeping that. What the? Oh please help me, please.
Nope.
I got you. Они укрываются.
Come on. Bro, team. You see? Ooh. Ooh, stop out. Can't get inside. I'm trying to survive, bro. Please. Oh!
Let's go.
Oh, I can get you. I'm gonna save you guys. Don't worry. Leave him alone. Come on. Yeah, let me get down.
I'm hit.
Ow. Down. Reload, please. How do you see him? No.
There.
Took a bite out of the apple.
What? What did you throw? Oh, I see him. Can you guys get towards me?
You're the last one. Complete the mission.
Oh, hell no. Somebody's right here, bro. Oh, I'm waiting. I got him. I got my first kill.
Entering a denied area.
I can't go. No, no, no. Screw it. Oh, no, 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 no. Yo. Oh, damn.
Ultra One, ISR confirms Bullfrog is transporting a weapon case nearby.
Please help me.
Location's on your attack map. You're cleared high.
I know it's not that much.
Check fire! Watch your fire!
We're coming, we're coming, we're coming. I'm right here, I'm right here.
Soldier.
Repet. Come on. Okay.
Friendly mortar strike on the way.
Oh,
Taking effective fire!
it's coming from that. Yes! Almost, I'm out.
Ultra One, be advised that. Ultra One.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No, 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 no. Ah! Oh. It was an accident.
Incoming!
Uh-oh. I'm following you, I'm following you. Come on, come on.
You'll live. Taking effective fire.
You can do it.
You'll live.
Come on. Come on.
I need mid-cal round.
Get in mine, get in mine, get in mine. Come on. Come on, get in. I drove all the way. Okay, I'll save you. Ooh,
Rifle marked.
got him. I don't need this armor. I'm good at this. What the? Uh-oh. Yo, get in my car. Jump to
Ultra
here.
One, the contract
Jump to
was
here.
pulled. You exceeded the time limit.
I don't know what I'm doing. Ooh, there's a car. Yeah.
Ultra One, intel has
Let me fit
positive
this
ID on the
bridge.
scavenger. Target location.
Get it. I'm doing it. Oh yeah. This is my weapon.
Ultra One, extraction is inbound at this time.
Get it.
Ultra One, you've got reinforcements incoming. Continue engaging.
Come on, extricate it. What? How come did it hit?
Ultra One, your squad is spread out. Ultra One, actual. Winds are pushing radiation through the area. Advise moving to extraction when able.
Where'd he go?
Ultra One, good hits. Bullfrog's vehicle is failing.
We survived. We survived. Still surviving.
Ultra
look at
One,
that loot.
enemy operators are tracking that weapons case.
Oh, no, that's
Advise
so
you move
good.
to extraction now.
Oh, medical suit. Good. Wait, don't leave me. Don't leave me. Don't, are you serious? They just left me.
This is Dino 4. We're approaching the
Oh,
LLC now. Keep it secure for us. We're standing by. Get to the extraction point now.
did it. We did it. Oh my god. We did it.
Ultra One, enemy threat is moderate in the AO.
Let's go.